Fruits, vegetables, plurals. Part 2. In Part 1, we talked about singular and plural. Singular means one thing. Plural means more than one, 2 or 5 or 100 of something. There are 5 rules for spelling plurals, but in Part 1 we only talked about 2, the 2 most common rules, the rules we use most often. The first rule, the one we use most often, is to add s to the end of a noun. So 1 lemon, a lemon. If we have 2 lemons or more, we put an s at the end, lemons. We also talked about how if a noun ends with ch, sh, s, or x, we add es to the end. ch, sh, s, x, ch, sh, s, x. So 1 peach, the last 2 letters are ch, so we add es, peaches. Inch, bush, bus, box, ch, sh, s, x. We add es to make a plural. In this video, we're going to talk about the rest of the rules for spelling plurals in English. What's this? It's a cherry. What are these? These are cherries. What happened to the Y? And it ends with es. When the last 2 letters of a noun are a consonant and a Y, we change the Y to I and add es. Do you remember what a consonant is? In English, there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, and U. Sometimes Y is a vowel too. All the other letters are consonants. Any letter that is not a vowel is a consonant. So consonant plus Y, if those are the last 2 letters of a noun, to make plural, we change the Y to I and add es. Baby, fly, day, and key. Baby, by. That's a consonant and a Y. So babies, ies. Fly, flies, L and Y. L is a consonant, so flies, ies. Day, A is not a consonant, it's a vowel. So we don't change the Y to I. We don't use this rule. We go back to rule number 1 and just add s at the end. The same with key. E is not a consonant, It's a vowel, so we just add S. If the last two letters are a consonant and a Y, IES for the plural. If the last two letters are a vowel and a Y, we just add S. What's this? It's a strawberry. Look at the last two letters, R, Y, consonant Y. So these are strawberries, IES. What's this? It's a raspberry. What are these? These are raspberries, IES. What's this? It's a blueberry. And these are blueberries, IES. What's this? It's a mango. What are these? They're mangoes. Oh, look, it's ES again. This rule is not a hard rule. There are many exceptions to this rule, but many times if the last two letters are a consonant and an O, then we add ES. We've looked at fruits. Now let's look at some vegetables. What is this? It's a tomato. Look at the last two letters, consonant O. So these are tomatoes, ES. What is this? It's a potato, consonant O at the end. So these are potatoes, ES. What is this? It's a leaf. It's spinach. It is a leaf of spinach. And these are spinach leaves. Look at that. The last letter of leaf is F, but there's no F in leaves. It has a V. If the end of a noun is F or FE, we change the F to a V. The plural will end in VES. Loaf, scarf, wife, knife. Loaves, scarves, wives, knives. What we've talked about so far are regular nouns. Regular nouns in the plural form all end in S. S, ES, IES, VES, but they all end with S. English has a few irregular nouns. To make them plural, There's no S at the end. A person. 2 people. Sometimes you will hear persons, but not very often. Usually one person, 2 or more people. A man. 3 men. There is no men's for plural. Man is singular, men is plural. 3 men, not 3 men's. A woman. Women, not women's. Women is plural, woman is singular. A child. 2 children. No children's. 2 children. A foot. Feet. A tooth. Teeth. A mouse. Mice. A fish. Fish. It doesn't change. So let's review. Singular means one. Plural means more than one. For most nouns, to make the plural, we add S. If the end of a noun is CH, SH, S, or X, we add ES. If the end of a noun is a consonant and a Y, we change the Y to I and add ES. If the end of a noun is a consonant and an O, we usually add ES. If the end of a noun is an F or an FE, to make the plural, we use VES. The end.